Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro 17 for free on Debian Linux operating system. Go to Start. Now open any web browser. Now go to VMware.com. Hit enter. Now click on this search box. Then search for Desktop Hypervisor. So select the first one, that is Desktop Hypervisor. Then click on again Desktop Hypervisor. You scroll down, see here we have the VMware Fusion Pro for Mac and VMware Workstation Pro for PC. So click on download this one. Now it will ask us to register, or if you are already registered you have to provide your email. See, now it is asking us to register. If you don't have login, click on this login button, then click on register. Then you have to fill all the details. Once you register, then again click on here. Then click on download. Then you will get this page. Then provide, I have already registered, so provide username. Then click on next. Again click on next. Then provide the password of this user that you have given. Then click on sign in. Then click on this drop down. Then select the VMware Cloud Foundation. Then scroll down. See here we have the VMware Workstation Pro. Click on it. See here we have the VMware Workstation Pro versions from 15.0 to 17.0. So okay, we are going to install the latest one, that is VMware Workstation Pro 17.0. Click on it. See here we have the versions from 17.0 to 17.6.1. So we are going to install the latest one. So click on this 17.6.1. Click on it. Now click on download. See, download has been started. Sometimes this will be grayed out. In that case, somewhere here you will have the checkbox. For the acceptance, you have to accept it and you have to click on this download. See, download has been started and its size is 372 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then we will install this bundle file. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Click on terminal. Go to downloads. CD downloads ls. See here we have the .bundle file. Before installing this one, we have to change the permission. Sudo chmod +x. Then VM. Use the tab to autofill. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. ls. Okay. See, color has been changed because we have made this as executable file. Then install the prerequisites, that is sudo apt install perl build essential gcc make. Otherwise it will throw error. -y. Hit enter. Control F. See, we have installed required packages. Now execute this file. Sudo .vmware // give the tab, hit enter. See, now it is installing VMware installer. Then it will install the VMware Workstation Pro 17.6. See, installation was success. Let's now go to start. Click on show applications, then search for VMware. See here we have the VMware Workstation Pro. Click on it. Now select the I accept the terms in the license agreement and click on next. Select the first option, then click on next. If you want to check the product updates, you have to select yes, otherwise no. Then click on next. Customer Experience Improvement Program. So select no and click on next. See, here actual picture comes. As I told you at the start, VMware Workstation Pro for free. See here, it is asking license key, but we can get the free for personal use. So for personal purpose, it is free. Okay, so you have to select this. I want to license VMware Workstation Pro, VMware Workstation 17 for personal use. So click on finish. Then provide the password of this account. Then click on authenticate. Okay, maximize it. See, this is the VMware Workstation Pro 17 on Ubuntu Linux operating system. If you want to create new virtual machine, click on create new virtual machine or go to file, select new virtual machine. If you want to see the version, help about VMware Workstation. See here, we have installed VMware Workstation Pro and the type is personal use only. Okay, click on close. So in this video we have seen how to download, install VMware Workstation Pro 17 for free on Ubuntu Linux operating system. See, the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. For more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.